Since Nicasio Guibert founded TIRUÑA in 1921, we have had more than 80 years of experience and continual expansion and evolution. Experience in the construction and repairing of machines of different sectors of industry. Tradition and innovation of constant quality are the reasons for our leadership in the market. The process which culminates in the creation of TIRUÑA, corrugating rolls for manufacturing corrugating board. TIRUñA, the rich rollers for the cardboard industry. Research and development with our own development to suit customers' needs. Technology with an exclusive process in the sector, starting from solid stocks of forged steel. Using the most advanced technologies, including induction hardening, we design the right flute profiles for each type of production, customizing each set of rolls. Hardness, dimensional, electronic controls, etc. are made throughout the productive process to allow us to guarantee its perfect operation. Leadership. It is the superior quality of our products which make us world leaders in this sector. Talleres TIRUÑA has investigated with the sole object that our rolls solve all the needs of our customers, to produce more and better. The problem of condensate inside the rolls is a traditional one which provokes different temperatures over the surface and deformation on the rolls. Why is this produced? When the traditional siphon system is working, it expels the condensate in the rolls. But there is a different distribution of heat over the whole active surface. The condensate goes to the bottom when the rolls stop. The siphon system, when stopped, expels the water up to the level of the siphon, which means a different distribution of heat, provoking enlarging of the rolls, familiarly called the banana effect. The extraction of condensation from the traditional system with siphon pipes provokes a twisted effect when running or after stoppages, resulting in a few meters of defective board. Furthermore, strong tensions are provoked which mean many times the breakage of teeth in the edges. A solution has been developed as a result of our own investigation. The TIRUÑA Dry Dynamic System. It is an exclusive system without siphon pipes, patented by us, which allows you to work without condensate. This means a uniform temperature through the whole surface, avoiding any deformation of the rolls. Steam enters the roll chamber, which is slopped to help the condensate reach the exit point. Whether the rolls are running or stopped, a continual removal of condensate and non-condensable gases is guaranteed. The advantages are prevention of the twisted effect during stoppages, maintenance of dimension stability of the rolls, greater heating capacity, uniform temperature in the rolls, minimal maintenance requirements, and the production of good board from the first meter. IDD pressure roll. In the traditional design of the single faces with 2 corrugating rolls and pressure roll, we face 2 or 3 critical speeds where the harmonic frequencies on the mentioned rolls coincide. They are produced approximately on 90 to 120 and 180 to 210 meters per minute. The first critical speed normally represents a problem when we manufacture double or triple wall, but the second and even the third critical speeds would be a problem mainly when we produce single wall. The boards manufactured along these speeds are characterized by showing big pressure marks of the pressure roll on the inner liner. These marks, that usually show highs and lows, can even break the liner when the pressure roll contacts the tip of the flute, which means rejecting problems of the board produced by the end user. If the type of machine and production does not allow us to work over these critical speeds, we would face important losses of productivity. Otherwise, provided we are able to increase the working speed over these critical speeds, the quality of the board manufactured would be reduced along this critical speed. In order to give a solution to this problem, TIRUñA has designed the IDD pressure roll. Based on the experience achieved with the DDS system of condensates extraction without siphon pipe, TIRUñA uses the interior of the IDD pressure roll so as to install a capsule that incorporates damping components. These softening components are specifically tailor-designed depending on the resonance values measured by our specialists during a visit made to the customer's plant. Once these values are defined, the correspondent IDD system is developed and the new pressure roll is installed. The IDD pressure roll absorbs the vibrations produced during the critical speeds of the single phaser from the moment of its installation in the machine, and it does not require any specific technical training of the workers, and then the vibration values do not affect the quality of board manufactured during the critical speeds. Peripheral heating. The peripheral heating system is characterized by the steam circulation through longitudinal conduits located near the periphery of the corrugating rolls. In this way, and due to the high steam circulation, the condensate produced during the heating of the rolls is removed by the steam itself, avoiding its accumulation and therefore the origination of the condensate layer that makes the heating difficult. That is how the banana effect is avoided. Moreover, the design of the longitudinal channels that go through the whole width of the roll allows the heat to be distributed uniformly all along the surface, and the cold points on the edges are prevented. On the other hand, and due to the fact that the mass of the rolls is always at the same temperature as of the steam, a high dimensional stability on the rolls, independently of the working speed, is achieved. The area on the surface that can really cool the paper is very small, and the inner area at high temperature is able to keep the dimensional stability. Thus, the heating surface that is obtained is sensibly higher than the one obtained with a steam chamber, which allows even to increase the mass and rigidity of the rolls. We can then reduce the flexion and give more stability to the splicing, and the vibration level is reduced.